Hi friends, I am Manav. Welcome to my channel Movie Shuvi. Jallikattu is trending after being selected as an India's official entry to the Oscars, and I had to see it with such a hype around, and I was seriously not disappointed. It is a very well made film that highlights the true nature of us, that is the human beings. It is not just a movie guys, but it's an experience, a complete flow of emotions, humans true nature delivered very subtly. It is truly indulgent, greed, jealousy, one man's upship with crude visuals, untouched nature, intense acting. In 1.5 hours guys, you will see it all, you will experience it all, and yes, it is very well deserved to be our official entry to the Oscars. It debates who's a bigger animal today, a buffalo who's trying to fight for its life, or humans who have always been selfish and greedy. In this video guys, I will talk about the broad level plot and also some 7 human aspects that the movie really highlights that no other movie has really shown. So I believe that it can very well be the Oscar winner this season. By the way, Jallikattu is actually a sport played in Tamil Nadu during Pongal, where the participants holds the hump of the bull and then try to tame it for the maximum time. So guys, the story is about a village which is very fond of buffalo's meat. There is only one meat shop which is owned by Barke, where Anthony also works, and he's also in love with his sister Sophie, but Sophie isn't very much interested in him. It was a usual day when Barke brings another buffalo to his slaughterhouse, and he tries to slaughter that buffalo, but the buffalo somehow escapes and creates a complete menace in the village, including some bit of fire, shops are broken, banks and even the houses are impacted. So everyone wants to catch the buffalo and kill it. Now the villagers are trying to catch the buffalo using various kinds of tools, handmade weapons, as they do not get any help from the local police, at least initially. I can't tell you much about the story, but the irony here is that Anthony wants to catch the buffalo and be a hero in front of Sophie and regain respect in front of his master Barke. Kutecha is also called by another group of the same village to catch the bull, as he has got an official licensed gun. Kutecha was once thrown out of the village and he wants to catch the buffalo and regain the entry in the village and maybe Sophie's love as well. Barke and the villagers are also trying to find the buffalo, as it has created a big menace. What you will see in this movie guys is the changing greedy people and their true nature. Now Paul, who has a herb field, wanted to save the buffalo and was completely against the animal slaughter which we saw initially, but when he learns that the same animal has destroyed his herb farm, then he also joins the mob to catch the buffalo and really kill it. While an animal buffalo is considered wild, but Kutecha and Anthony fought like animals just to be seen as superior one over the other. When Sophie realizes that Anthony has caught the bull, then she suddenly has a change of heart and starts showing interest in him and wanted to be with a successful man. Fourthly, we don't learn from our history that is pretty evident. In the past, a man dies catching a buffalo in a very similar manner in a ditch or a well, and we see that people have made, or the villagers have made, the same mistake, and the man again dies in the same well or ditch. We make same mistakes again and again, and we don't learn from our past. The policeman hardly cared about the menace and the issues of the villagers until the villagers almost threatened him for his life and also burnt his jeep. He joined them only when something really impacted him. Movie really highlights is that everyone wants a pie from a successful act or a business. We see hundreds of people, groups and Anthony fighting to have claim over the dead animal. The scene is so brutal that the human race is seen like an animal and not vice versa, who's just trying to save its life. Lastly, the human mob mentality is also shown. Impacted are few, but the masses are just the followers without any reason. It is sad, but it is really true. The depth of human psyche that is shown in this movie is quite something and is worth considering for an Oscar. All the best to the makers. Bye.